Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Black Ops 7 or Warzone is not launching on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, look for Call of Duty, right click on it, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse. Then you need to scroll down a bit until you see COD.exe file. If you don't see COD.exe, you just need to press on View, Show, File Name Extensions, and then you will see exe. Then you just need to right click on it, Show More Options, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure nothing is checked here, and apply the changes after that. Next thing what you need to do here, press on the blank space here and copy the link of Call of Duty where all the files located, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to add a desktop app, and then you need to paste the path and add a COD.exe. For me, it's already added, as you can see here. Make sure optimizations for Windows games is selected here. Then you need to scroll down until you see Call of Duty, and then make sure it's selected to high performance, and also optimizations for Windows games is selected as well. And now look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, press Windows and I key or simply write run. Then here on this new window, you just need to write %local app data %. Then look for Activision folder and right click and delete this particular folder. And then look if the problem persists after that. Also, if you have some controllers plugged in, unplug all the peripherals, racing wheels, controllers, and then look if the problem persists after that. Another thing it can prevent you from launching the game is other third-party apps. And those apps typically are Revazed, this one, Revazed, DS4 Windows, MSI Afterburner app, and also Riva Tuner. So if you have these apps enabled in your system tray, just uninstall them or simply just close them and look if the problem persists after that. Also, overlays can prevent you from launching the game. So for example, NVIDIA Steam has the overlay feature. Discord as well, probably the most common apps that you can use. You just need to go to settings, then go to NVIDIA overlay, for example, and disable overlay. On Steam, quite similar. What you need to do here is to right click on the game, go to properties, and then you will see overlay here. So just disable overlays and then look if the problem persists. Also go to documents, and then you will see Call of Duty folder. So what you need to do here is to rename it, just put something, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem basically this thing did not fix your problem, you can go back here and just name it as it was. So yeah, that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. Now your game should be working, and if I help you out, please press like. And if it's not working, then just write me in the comments that is not working, and I will try to reach you and create maybe a new video with a possible fixes, but these fixes should work. So that's pretty much it.